looking to the mga commuters. That is why we are fast-tracking, expediting this ayuda. So hopefully before April 6, that was given to us by the Central Office, DOTR, the money is already there. We are ready to distribute the money, kaya lang may mga kabiyagan, may mga condition, may mga proseso kasi yan. So, we are asking again your consideration and your patience. Katanan, yahin lang ta, and I rest assured, April 6 ang ingon, nag-project ako sa Facebook na mo, sa tanang mga video na sa media. Paningkamuton na ko, hatag na ng kwarta sa inyong ayuda. It is not only single, but it is multiple waves of ayuda na ihatag doon sila. I don't have the exact figures of nag-iundan sila. May nakabot sa ko, at I am requesting that awang na ko sila. Yeah.